Hi, I'm Umer Ahmad from SDM College of Engineering and Technology, Dharwad. I'm from Electronics and Communication Department. Today, I'm going to perform a C program to simulate bit and byte stuffing in a data frames of a computer communication networks. Bit and byte stuffing. These are the two techniques that are used in a data communication to ensure that special patterns used to mark the frame boundaries that don't accidentally appear in the actual data is being transmitted. Initially, bit stuffing. Bit stuffing involves the inserting of non-information bits into a data to break up patterns that could be misinterpreted as a control signal. The main goal is to prevent the flag pattern from appearing in the data. Key idea is to insert a 0 after a 5 consecutive ones in the data stream. The process goes like this. It reads the each bit from the input and keep a count of consecutive ones. If the count reaches a 5, automatically adds a 0 after it. Reset a counter when the 0 is encountered. Why we have to use a bit stuffing is if we don't stuff a 0, the receiver might see 6 ones followed by a 0 and thinks the data is frame delimiter, which can corrupt the interpretation of a data. The example of bit stuffing is shown here. The input is given like this. The output stuffed output is after the 5 consecutive of ones, the 0 is added. If we execute it in the bit stuffing, the code is shown here. Here we used a while loop if and the count of ones if the count of reaches the 5, the stuff adds a 0 after the ones. If we run it and the input is given as ones and the output of a bit stuff is it adds a 0, it adds a 0 after a 5 consecutive ones, and here. The next one is byte stuffing. Byte stuffing is the it adds the special bytes into a data stream to differentiate data bytes from a control bytes. The main goal is to make sure that a special character like a frame flag are not the part part of the interpreted data. The key idea is to insert the escape characters before and the actual data is matches the special symbol. The process of this byte stuffing is goes like this. It adds a start flag and for every character in the data, it adds the flag or a escape character to insert a escape from and before it and adds an end flag. Here is the example. If the input is given like hello world and it adds the initial flag and the intermediate escape characters. If we execute it, the code is written here. The flag and the escape characters are used here. For the output is like this hello world. Input is given as hello world. The byte stuffed output is it adds the special flag at the start and end at the end and adds the escape character in between the bytes. Thank you.